In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GPU acceleration in Adobe Media Encoder. This feature is instrumental in speeding up your rendering process and can significantly enhance performance, allowing you to work more efficiently, whether you're a professional video editor or a hobbyist. So, let's dive right into it and walk through each step together. First things first, let's open Adobe Media Encoder. You'll likely find it in your list of installed applications, and if you're using a shortcut, just a click will get us started. Once you're in, the next thing you want to do is navigate to the Edit menu, located at the top of your screen. Click on Edit, and from the drop-down menu that appears, we're going to select Preferences. Now, within the Preferences menu, you'll see a variety of options available to customize your editing experience. Our focus today is on optimizing your system's performance, so go ahead and click on General. This is where we'll find the settings that enable GPU acceleration. Once you're in the general settings, take a look around for the option labeled Renderer, or sometimes it might say Renderer Engine. This is a critical component as it lets you choose how your system processes the video rendering tasks. When you find it, click on the drop-down menu next to it. Within this drop-down, you'll see several options. You'll want to select Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration. Depending on your system's configuration and the type of graphics card installed, you'll have a few choices here: CUDA, OpenCL, or Metal. CUDA is generally used for NVIDIA graphics cards, OpenCL is typically for AMD cards, and Metal is meant for those using an Apple device. Choose the option that corresponds to your hardware. Picking the right one ensures that you leverage the full capability of your GPU, which can enhance performance drastically by handling many calculations required during encoding much more efficiently than your CPU alone could. After making your selection, it's important to ensure that these changes are saved. Look towards the bottom right of your Preferences window, and you'll find an Apply or OK button. Clicking this will confirm and save your new settings. Once you do, Adobe Media Encoder will now utilize GPU acceleration for processing, which should result in faster rendering times and increased efficiency, especially for larger, more complex projects. That's all there is to it. By enabling GPU acceleration, you've unlocked a powerful feature that can significantly improve your workflow in Adobe Media Encoder. If you're finding the render times faster or notice an improvement in performance in your video tasks, this adjustment would have certainly played a big part in that. Thanks for tuning in today. Hopefully, this will make your editing journey a little smoother and a lot faster. Happy editing!